and gather your supplies, you'll need dish soap, a bowl of water, and black pepper. The pepper will represent all of the works of the enemy, the terror, the arrows, the pestilence, the sinful nature of the world. You may add your water into the bowl at this time. The water is going to represent the world that we live in. The dish soap will represent our covenant with God, how He protects us, how He loves us, how He cares for us, how His holy word is true and how powerful it is. So we need to retain it and keep it within our heart. Here's all the yucky stuff, all the works of the enemy, all the sickness, all the disease, all the yuckies. When we are not covered and not walking with the Lord, the works of the enemy try to attach itself to us. But once you have a covenant with the Lord and you're covered by His holy word and His promises in the relationship with Him, just one drop of that covenant causes the enemy to flee. God is amazing.